Highlevel Harris is the best affiliate on the planet. Now, what I'm going to go through today is how you set up domains for websites and funnels. So, what a domain is you purchase a domain from like GoDaddy, for example. I'm going to show you how to do that now. I'm going to show you how you do that. But what that is whenever someone types your company name, your website shows up. So for example, I purchased the domain alumx.com. So if I even type in alumx.com, so whenever I type that domain up, my website turns up. So that's what a domain is. So how you go about buying one is very simple. So go to GoDaddy and then just type in whatever name of your business is. So let's say yours is so there it is, an exact match. So there you go. You can purchase it here. It's very cheap. So just make it yours and then go through the process, put your card in, and then that sort of thing. It's going to ask you for domain protection, but you just press no. You don't want extra cost. It's going to say if you want a professional email, you can if you want, but in this case, we don't really need to. So for 3 years, it would cost you around like 37. So just go there and pay. Okay, and then just complete the purchase. Okay, so now we've brought the domain. How do we add it to websites? For example, on our sites tab and our funnels, you want to click on it and then go to settings, and this is where you would add the domain, but no domains connected to Highlevel or the funnels. For example, if you go to settings, there's no domain connected. So what we do is go to the bottom left where it says settings, go to settings, go to domains, and you want to press add domain. Now type in the domain URL. I didn't buy the one I just showed you, but I'm going to show you the one I do have that I brought on Cloudflare, but it was the exact same thing. To GoDaddy, Cloudflare, you can buy from either one, but I recommend GoDaddy, to be honest, because their support is way better. So domain URL, you type that in and then you just press continue, then let Highlevel do its thing. And then you'll see a screen like this, and it should say GoDaddy in the middle, not Cloudflare, just because I brought mine on Cloudflare. So what you do, you press authorize domain, and what happens is that Highlevel will send you to GoDaddy. You sign in to GoDaddy, and then you press authorize. It's like a big button that says authorize. You authorize it, and then that domain is now linked to Highlevel. Okay? If you have any problems with that, drop a comment. I'm happy to jump on a quick call with you and fix it for you, no problem. Or if it makes you do it manually, okay, drop a comment and I'll sit down with you and do it, okay? So once it's connected, which shouldn't take too long, what will happen is it will look like something like this. So when you go to sites, so once you've connected it properly, when you go to add your domain to your website, you go to settings, here's a domain, and it should give you the two options here of alumx and www.alumx.com. You click it, you press save, and now your website is connected to a domain. So whenever you type in your domain in a URL, or even if you type in Google alumx, it would come up. There you go. So now it's all connected and you've got the domain linked to this. So now you got your own professional domain, and you can give this URL to anyone and they can open it and it will open your website. So that was just a quick one on how you set up domains for websites and funnels. Any problems with that, just drop a comment. I don't mind jumping on the Zoom call with you guys. If you guys want to join the best affiliate program on the planet, here's all the benefits you get. I'll sit on Zoom calls with you, true to you, help you with every step with getting to know Highlevel and making it profitable. So if you want that, sign up with Highlevel through my affiliate link and you'll get those benefits. That's all for this video. Thank you.